blew it. Like this is what we all have to start understanding. Like messing over money does not mean doing toxic things. Most of us mess over money on a daily basis by investing and circulating money into things that doesn't give us a return of interest or an ROI. No, you shouldn't. And this is the reason why, and this is the understanding that I have now as I started studying and learning from people who accumulated amounts of riches and wealth. You need to circulate your money to where it's going to invest and bring you an ROI. Let's just say if that's what it is. Of that 30,000, paying off bills is going to literally give me a zero return of interest. Let me bring up a calculator real quick. And so just think about it as I'm getting the calculator out. Like, how would that look? Like bringing in $300 a month, and then you times that for 12 months. So that means it's bringing in $3,600 a year. I didn't know this was possible when I had the lump sum of money. I didn't know. And when I look at the shows and I see the different people's stories, they didn't know. You know, when they got these lump sums of money, they didn't have financial and people that's actually speaking to them and advising them on how to do it. And when I say financial people, I mean people who make money, not people who went to school or went to university to be like, oh, I'm a financial advisor. I'm going to help you invest, do this and that. You need to ask them, show me your portfolio and show me how much money you're earning on a monthly basis. And then on top of that, show me your assets versus liabilities. And if they be like, oh, you don't need to know this, or no, I can't show you that, you don't need to invest with them. They're trying to sell you a dream. And so you want to find people who are real financial investors. Like I listen to people such as Robert Kiyosaki, Grant Cardone, Damon John Hope, Bryant, who's an amazing person. Those are the people that I get advice from and I listen to, especially when it comes to money. And so just wanted to share that with you. I know when I first recorded this, the mic was actually off. The mic is on now, so I know you're going to be able to hear it. And really just think about it and start asking yourself a question like, when I get a lump sum of money, what will I do with it?